Hi guys, welcome to day 18 of my 60-day challenge. So today I've been taking another look at the pre-sale IO software. And specifically I wanted to understand how the link tracking works and just the general setup. So I went through the training and um, I pointed one of my domains to pre-sale. I've set up um, the pixels. Also, I've set it up to communicate with ClickBank. One of the nice things is that it makes use of the ClickBank INS, as the immediate notification service. It's an API that ClickBank has that they've tapped into, which means you should get very accurate data, which is nice. So I did that. I set up a page, a landing page, and like a mock setup quickly, just so I could see how things were set up. And a few things have come to light which I'm a little bit concerned about. Namely, well, first thing, they don't seem to be set up to use HTTPS, even though you'll see there's a little lock sign here. The landing pages, for whatever reason, are not being served as HTTPS. That may be a problem on my end, the way I've set it up, so I shall put a ticket in and ask about that. The other thing is I was using, or I am using Cloudflare to manage my domain DNS settings. So in the training they talk about just simply using the DNS manager and Namecheap to point to the pre-sale IO software. I essentially did the same thing, but in Cloudflare. It shouldn't make much difference, but maybe there are some subtle differences, and maybe that's why the HTTPS is not working. But so I'll look into that. The other thing is that the domains are set up as in here as subdomains. So instead of having yourdomain.com, you'd set up a subdomain like offer.yourdomain.com. And the tracking links are created with that long subdomain, domain, slash lander, and then what appears to be a random number. So what that means is you've got this kind of ugly link that we'll have to use on our Facebook ads, which I'm not thrilled about. There doesn't seem to be any way to make that link pretty or shorten it in any way that would be acceptable to Facebook, without doing redirects. So that's another question I need to post. So I'm, well, I wasn't 100% convinced that this product was really ready for prime time from the start. I'm even less convinced now, but since I'm going through this program, I thought, well, I should try and use the tools that they provide, at least give it a fair trial. But as things stand, I'm not really comfortable in using this software for my ads. But anyway, let's see what support has to come back with. We've got the Q&A coming up on Wednesday as well, and maybe they'll address these issues in the near future. So that's all I have for today, and I'll provide another progress update tomorrow.